Hey guys, today I'll be doing a simple skincare routine using my nighttime anti-aging skincare regime, and also there is a secret sale going on, so keep on watching the video. So I'm going to start my skincare routine by just tying my hair up, and yeah, so the first thing that we are going to do is actually use a cleanser to remove all the makeup that I have, as you can see. So I'm just taking all of my hair away from my face, and then we are just going to use a makeup remover to remove all the makeup. And I'm going to use the Mars makeup remover. You guys have seen me use this a couple of times, and it's very nice. It doesn't really irritate my skin at all. It removes the makeup very nicely. So it's very important that you actually remove your makeup. If you have some makeup left on your skin, then it causes a lot of acne, especially on my skin. I have to remove every ounce of makeup that I did put on. So yeah, I just try to find the easiest ways to remove makeup. Then I have a wipe, which is like a reusable makeup cleansing wipe, and I'm just wiping off all the product off my face, and this just helps to remove the makeup furthermore. You can just use this wipe alone as well. It's much more better than using your normal regular makeup remover wipes because it's reusable and very sustainable. So the next thing that I'm going to use here is this simple moisturizing facial wash, because it has 100% soap free. It's very gentle on the skin, and it actually makes my skin feel very hydrated as well, and it cleanses off my skin very nicely. So it's a very gentle cleanser. Even if you have sensitive skin, I feel like you are still going to like it, and using a nice cleanser is also a key. So yeah, I'm just using this cleanser. It doesn't irritate my eyes, as you can see. I'm just rubbing all my makeup off. As you can see, this has a very nice creamy texture to it. And yeah, and then we'll move on to our next step. The next product I'm going to use is a toner, and a toner is very important in my skincare routine, even in the nighttime skincare routine, in my morning skincare routine. And I'm going to use the Centella toner. Now, as I'll be using a little bit more of potent serums later in the video, so that's why I love to use a toner that is very soothing on the skin, that's very hydrating as well, that is going to give my skin that glow from within. The next product, we are going to dive into the anti-aging regime and using the Foxtale products. This video is in partnership with Foxtale. Currently, they are having an amazing sale on buy two get one free. So definitely it's the best time to shop from the brand. The first ingredient is surely vitamin C for me. And you guys know I'm loving the Foxtale vitamin C serum for months now. I have gone through bottles and bottles of this. This is formulated with L-ascorbic acid, which is the purest form of vitamin C in a creamy formulation. You can see a visible difference in my acne marks and how it brightens my skin, especially the fresh one. A vitamin C serum is one of the best products for anti-aging too, because it is proven to help neutralize the free radicals in our body that lead to oxidative stress. This helps to prevent premature skin aging and delay the visible signs of biological skin aging. But I only use vitamin C in my morning skincare routine thrice a day, and this is not for my nighttime skincare routine. As you can see, this is how my skin looks. You can see few marks that I have, but overall my skin just looks very glowy and dewy. Next thing that I love to use in my nighttime skincare routine for anti-aging is a retinol serum. And this is the Foxtale retinol serum that contains 0.15% retinol, that is perfect for beginners. Retinol is often regarded as the holy grail of skincare ingredients. It's because it is a derivative of vitamin A that has amazing benefits, including boosting cell turnover and skin cell rejuvenation, which is a key for anti-aging. With this retinol, I have never had any purging, and my skin looked more glowing in just 2 weeks. Always start your retinol slowly and incorporate it just maybe 2 times a week, and never use your retinol with a vitamin C serum. The vitamin C serum, as I said, I use it thrice a week, and I separate it with my retinol usage because that might clash and irritate your skin. So if you are a beginner, just use a retinol very slowly, incorporate it very slowly in your skincare routine, and you can see that it is very effective, but at the same time it is not going to give you any side effects, or it's not going to purge at all. And if you're using a retinol serum just like me at night, it is very important that you use a very good sunscreen in the morning, and this is the Foxtale Dewy Sunscreen, which is perfect for your daily protection. And as you can see, this is a must-have in my routine. I use it all over my face, and as you can see, the formulation is very creamy. It doesn't give me any white cast, and it's very wearable under your makeup as well because it doesn't peel, and you can skip your moisturizer and directly use this sunscreen because it's very hydrating on the skin and doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. And just wait, because Foxtale is having a secret sale where you can buy 2 and get 1 free. And you can use my coupon code to avail the discount. The links are in the description box. So go and snatch up your favorites from Foxtale because you guys know how much I love their products. So all the links will be down in the description box. The last step is obviously to use a very good moisturizer, and I'm using the Requil moisturizer, which has hyaluronic acid, ceramides and mango butter. This I have been using it for quite some time, and since I've used a retinol, it's very important that I go in with a thick moisturizer that is going to moisturize my skin, give me all the hydration. And yeah, as you can see, this is how my skin looks like after using the moisturizer. It's not super thick, which is why a lot of people with combination and normal skin can also use this. This is what I love to do for my anti-aging regime, and this I feel like is a very nice beginner friendly routine that you can follow as well. And all the links will be down in the description box, as Foxtale is having the sale, so don't forget to check it out. And thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys a lot, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.